Inside lane, missing exits, glued to the pavement. Between the lines, I'll keep my gaze straight ahead.
Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and we are jumping right in, girl. I am twirling for you, showing my braid pattern. And now my stylist, Lace by Mo, I will have her information on the screen and in the description box. By the way, she just applied my wig cap. Now she's applying, I believe this is like cream foundation or cream concealer that is more my skin tone. Instead of trying to find a wig cap that is my skin tone, she just used the color that matched me perfectly. So a mixture of Got2B Glued and the free spray was applied to the wig cap. She let that dry for, I want to say, maybe 30-45 minutes, and then she cut that off. Now she did take Arrogant Tay's class. I believe she took his class in Atlanta, and he taught them to apply the wig cap and then cut it that way, so that's why she cuts it that way, in case people are wondering why the wig cap doesn't cover my edges and things like that. So now she's applying 2 layers of lace glue, and I'll put some lace glue suggestions in the description box down below for you guys. Now I sped this part up because, you know, Morgan is a beast and I wanted y'all to see her work in totality. So she made this wig in, I want to say, like 45 minutes. It's a full frontal wig, UNice hair, Peruvian body wave. I'll put everything on the screen and down below in the description box for you guys. So here she is just cutting the excess kind of ear flap off, and then she's about to sew my wig down in the back. And that is her, like, just putting the wig on. When I tell you, she has this down to a science. And if you are in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, Morgan is based in Memphis, but she will be in Dallas March 17th through March 19th, 2018. So I will put that on the screen and in the description box as well. You can go down in my description box and book her through her booking website. You have to get laced by Mo, okay? You have to. So now she's just creating my baby hairs, and she's like such a beast at this part. They always look so good by the time she's done. So she's using that magical edge brush that I will have linked in the description box down below, and just a mixture of Got2B Glued Free Spray, Got2B Glued Gel in the yellow bottle, and Nairobi Foaming Mousse. And she's just using like, well, first of all, she used some scissors to cut the excess lace, and now she is just going to go in and just really work on these baby hairs, okay? She does such an amazing job at this. She's going to use some scissors to kind of trim that hair down, and then go in with the Got2B Glued Free Spray and that edge brush, and like look at the wrist, okay? It's like stir fry, you know? No, the makeup, okay. All right, it's okay. It's okay. You know, I try to add my own comedic touch to these things. I do try. So moving on, she's just going to blow dry those baby hairs. Make sure that it's molded, make sure that it's set in place, that they are not budging, they are not moving, they are not going anywhere, but they are also not crusty. She goes back in and just kind of like combs over them, brushes over them just a little bit so that they're soft. Now my favorite part, I'm exaggerating, she's about to go in with the hot comb. Now this is, I want to say, like maybe my 4th or 5th time having my hair hot combed, so I'm still flinching because I'm weak and I'm not used to this, but I've gotten so much better since the last time you saw me with the hot comb to my head. So now she moved on to the other side, and she is just blow drying the baby hairs on that side. And y'all, it's coming together, okay? It's coming together. So now we're moving on to the cut and the style. I wanted a voluminous bombshell middle part. You guys, if you know me, you know the kind of look that I'm going for. So she's just cutting some soft layers in kind of more so towards the bottom. And guess what? I found out what curling iron this is. I believe it's in Infinity Pro. I bought the same one from Amazon, so I'm going to put the link in the description box down below. If you are interested in this curling iron, that's how I got some amazing curls once Morgan went back to Memphis, because I'm just like, how am I supposed to maintain this look? It is so pretty. So I bought the same curling iron as her. And it's super affordable, by the way. She said she got hers from Walmart. It gets like super duper hot and it creates these super beautiful voluminous curls. But this is pretty much us wrapping up and coming to an end. She's just going to continue to curl my hair and spray it with the Got2B Freeze Spray. And that's pretty much it. If you missed the video prior to this one, I showed you all how we achieved this magenta intense red color. But I'm telling you, Morgan is a magician. You have to make sure you get laced by Mo. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of this new hairstyle. And until next time, stay beautiful. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.